All right, let's start with our first percent problem here. It says each of three friends, Lynn, Jada, and Andre, had the goal of raising $40. How much money did each person raise? It tells us number one, Lynn raised 100% of her goal. 2, Jada raised 50%. 3, Andre raised 150%. Now, this is a pretty simple problem, but we're going to start simple and work harder, okay? I think we could figure out all of these without doing anything, but I want to show you how a double number line works with a percent problem. So we have two number lines. One is going to be our percent. The bottom one will be our percent. The top one is going to be our part. Okay? So if we're at 0%, we know our part is 0. Okay? We have nothing, that's 0% of something. Okay? I always want to include 100% on here. I always want to include 100%. We're not going to be able to solve a percent problem without knowing what 100% is. Or if we don't know what it is, it's what we're trying to find. So we always need 100% on there. Okay? And then we need to think about, well, what part of this situation is 100%? If their goal is to raise $40 and Lynn raised 100% of her goal, well, then Lynn raised $40. So Lynn raised $40. It says Jada raised 50% of her goal. Well, I know 50% is going to be down here right between 0 and 100. It's half, okay? And then I can look up here. Well, half of 40 is 20. So Jada raised $20. Andre raised 150%. So he raised 100% plus an additional 50%, or 150%. So we can do a few things here. We can think of, well, 100% is 40 and 50% is 20. So 40 plus 20 would give us 60. Or we can think about it this way. Down on the bottom, I'm increasing by 50 each time. 50, 100, 150. What am I increasing by on the top? 0 to 20 is 20. 20 to 40 is 20. Plus 20 more would give us 60. So Andre raised $60.